Right, so as you can see here on the weekly, we are trending up still. Last week did close bearish back within the moving averages, spiked down towards the simple moving average in line with a 50% retracement, and closed just around our 1.3 thousand monthly support. Now this could be a new higher low to this one down here as we then head further upside, but we'll just have to step down to the smaller time frame to get a better perspective on where price is heading next, as we could see a further push downside again to test this 50% or even lower towards, well, it would be a break of this, and then we'd be seeing towards the bottom region of this channel. So down to the daily time frame, we can see that the price was consolidating above this monthly, around this monthly support level. We did move bearish as expected. I think initial targets, well, the initial targets were 1.300 here, before I believe a bit lower down in this 1.29500 region. We still have the potential to push towards that region as the moving averages hold price down. But as you can see here, we've got a high, a low, lower high, a lower low. We may be coming back up to create a lower high around this 1. Well, the first target would be 1.3075 before 38.2% and possibly even push towards 1.3130 at our 50% retracement. Stepping down to the 8-hour time frame, and you can see this consolidation range. Price was making lower lows and lower highs, and we did have a channel. I've now changed that to this downtrend here, as this was the first move downside, this was the second, third, and so on. Price began consolidating here. You can see highlighted in red that we broke through the previous lower high to form a higher high, and then continued to form a higher low. So that would have suggested that the trend had reversed. However, we failed to break above the moving averages, and I did specify last week, if we don't close above the 1.3030, then we are still bearish. We then created a new lower low, which was even lower to the previous one back here on the first, and this confirmed that we were actually in a range here. Price rejected that in line with this trend line here, and is now moving bullish back towards a retest of the moving averages. Onto the H4 time frame, we can see that price is back above these moving averages as we currently look to break through this the upper resistance of the consolidation range. Now I am bullish short term on this, as I can see us coming back towards this 3075 region for a retest. However, we would still need to break above this 1.3025 region before taking these longs. We have, well, and that would be in line with a moving average crossover, which we have began to break above. Sorry, we can see this spike here. Price doesn't necessarily like it, but we would have to see a close to confirm this. Otherwise, we will be short, selling back towards the bottom of this consolidation. We will have to watch monthly support. I won't be entering any shorts on this pair just yet. I will be waiting to see how price responds around the monthly level, because we may be seeing a bottom here. As you can see, we've got a rejection here. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rejections of this monthly level, and now this could be the bullish retracement upside.